Hey, what's going on YouTube? So today I will be showing you, giving you a little walkthrough of my 74 Volkswagen Buggy. So I'm gonna go ahead and back it out and give you a little walk around. So here's the starting procedures. Obviously make sure it's in neutral. Got a battery switch in a secret location. And then this is from Kinnetic Kreations. They did a whole, basically a swap harness. And that's prime the fuel pump. It's gonna be cold start, so here we go. Let's go and open up our dump tube. Alrighty, so this is the stock fuel tank from Dodge Neon SRT-4. I gotta build myself a fuel cell, and I'm gonna try to use the stock canister just because I don't want to spend about $1,000 on a fuel pump and AN lines and, you know, the feed and return lines. So I'm gonna try to stick with the stock fuel pump. I'm only pushing 16 pounds of boost, AGP wastegate. It's got a Diablo Sport Trinity 2 right here. So I made this little mount that hooks up to the windshield, and it's got different gauge settings, and it's pretty cool. Got gauges right here, got boost gauge, AFRs, oil pressure, and coolant temp. These seats came from the Dodge Neon, as you can tell. It's got the typical rip right there. This is the front end. Not true welds, but they're the good old jegs. So this is it. It's a 1974 Bug. I found this Safari Trail buggy out in Wilmington. Got it for 160 bucks. Obviously it's for a short chassis, so I had to cut it in half, and I'm just using some aluminum plate here in the middle for now until I'm able to fill it in all in with fiberglass. So I gotta finish priming the body. I'll probably paint it the same color as the roll bars. I gotta adjust the lights. I'm probably gonna build a bumper that extends out from the front beam, and then I'll put the headlights on that. I might want to do a 1-inch or 2-inch body lift just so it looks a little more sleek, because right now you have a low, you know, a very low profile body, and then it kind of rises up quite a bit on the windshield. So it's got a built 091 transmission from Transworks out of El Cajon, California. It's got a Kennedy Engineering adapter plate with light and flywheel and stage 2 clutch, along with the Wasp starter.